chat and chit. I come through like what's good, these wigs getting split. Man better breeze and sprint, it's long if I choose to bite down on these pricks. X is a lyrical 4-4 and this, so make sure it's X that you wanna rally with. Oh, make a big man turn to a kid. Shout out skull when I splat out wigs. Never seeing X's with your eyes closed, don't move past girls behind your eyelid.
What's up guys, it's Earth from B-Side. Today I'm here at AT230 Cars and Coffee, located here in La Habra, California. And we have a very special car here today. It's the Apexi USA Lexus IS. This car was also shown at last year's 2023 SEMA at the ShiftPower booth, and we have it here today at AT230. So let me go ahead and cover all the cool parts we have on here, especially the ShiftPower throttle response controller, and show you how it works out, and maybe we could even go for a test drive. So we'll start off from the exterior of this car. So this car is fully equipped with the Lexon lip kit. As you can see here, it's a badge, Lexon from Japan, made in Japan, very, very high quality stuff. Made in Yokohama, Japan. Super cool. They're known to keep the factory design flow so that it doesn't look too awkward, and it just enhances the factory look. There's a front lip, side skirts, and we also have the rear diffuser as well. We also have here the Wet Sports wheels. It's more of a track-oriented wheel, very, very lightweight, and it really complements the sportiness of this vehicle. And under here is a Sabon hood. It's carbon fiber. It's wrapped with this ShiftPower livery, so you can't really see it, but then very, very cool. It has these little vent holes. Once again, we have here the Lexon spoiler. It's like the roof spoiler. Looks factory, very, very clean. And we also have here the Apexi N1X quad exhaust system. It's the new exhaust offered by Apexi. Super, super cool. Makes a really nice sound as well. It's not overly loud, and it gives that very classy and luxury tone to this vehicle. And all this, the car is lowered on the Apexi coilovers as well. And then last but not least, let's show you the ShiftPower. That's what we're here for. All right guys, so let me show you how this device works. It comes with a really powerful app, the ShiftPower app. You can download it in both iOS and also Android device. And once you first download the device, you do have to pair it to ShiftPower via Bluetooth. So if you select this vehicle icon here, you go through the steps, put in the password and connect it. And once it's connected, they're both synced. And whenever you press the buttons here, it'll jump through different modes, as you can see here. And if you want something in between, you can also drag with your finger, and you can do all this while the car is turned on and while you're driving, just so that you could get it set up exactly how you want it to drive. I'm going to leave it on dynamic for now. And when you're parking and when you're valeting your vehicle, you can also put in valet mode if you press this button. So this restricts the valet driver from being able to floor their car. So as you can see here, I'm pressing on the acceleration pedal, and this is the most that this ShiftPower will allow the valet driver. Okay? And of course, this can be adjusted. So as you can see over here, I'm doing wide open throttle, but I'm adjusting how much acceleration that I'm actually allowing the valet driver to have. And we can also lock the throttle. This is works as a immobilizer. And so over here, pressing on the gas, but nothing's happening to the actual car. So if a thief manages to break into your car and they try to drive off, now they won't be able to, because the car's not going anywhere. And we also have an eco mode to try to save some gas. And once again, we have our different driving modes from off to dynamic, sport, super sport, and race. All right guys, so I'm taking this car on the road, show you how this device works. It's set on dynamic right now. This is the most preferred mode just for everyday use, especially on a car that already has its own driving modes. So this car here is a Lexus IS, and it does have its own factory eco mode. There's a normal mode, and then there's also the sport mode. And depending on what modes you change it from the factory controls, it will change the way the car drives. including how much acceleration response it has, or to how the suspension feels. And our device stacks together with the factory driving controls. So sometimes we have customers who likes to drive the car in eco mode for the gas saving benefit. At the same time, they don't want to lose their acceleration response. So what they'll do is they'll set the factory to eco mode like so, and then they'll put it up to race mode. And right now we're using the app to change the modes, but you can also change it on the button itself too. Okay, so by doing what I just did right now, put it on race mode on our device and eco mode on the car, you do not lose the throttle response on the car, which is a really cool function. Or if you're an aggressive driver, you want to keep the car in sport mode, you can actually stack the factory sport mode with our race mode here as well. So let me do that now. So that right now is sport. I'm gonna floor it just for a little bit. Oh shit, there's a police. Whew. Man, dude. It's okay, I don't think he saw me floor the car. This car drives so smoothly though. And a really cool function about this system is you can actually change the setting while you're driving. It can go just very easy as just, and as you can see, it's like, you could tell the revs change as I change this in real time. Valet mode. Let me show you what happens when I put it on valet mode. So right now I am flooring the car. I am flooring it, and this is the fastest it'll go. And we're going like, we're crawling, and we have hit 30 miles per hour, and that took 15 seconds. So if you turn on the immobilizer, like accelerating, nothing happens. All right, put it back to dynamic mode. All right, okay. Let me go see if anybody wants to test drive over here. All right, cool. All right, cool. I'll be back. I'll see you later. Thank you.
How you doing, man?
Good. How you doing?
Chilling, man.
All right. Well, what car you drive?
The IS300 right here.
Oh, okay. This one.
Yeah.
Ah, sweet. You got the Altezza.
When I chat and chit, I come through like what's good, these wigs getting split. Man better breeze and sprint, it's long if I choose to bite down on these pricks. X is a lyrical 4-4 and this, so make sure it's X that you wanna rally with. I'll make a big man turn to a kid, shout out skull when I'll splat out wigs. Never seeing X's with your eyes closed, don't mean bar girls behind your eyelid. Bars and flows, check out their mixture. Tell them man can't handle the fixture. It's all funny games to the person saying it's all funny games. Get beat up and cocked out the picture. Must be active if you think you can wig me. I'll tell my man put down the liquor. I ain't got none, don't care which means I lost them. Genie's out of the bottle when I ain't going back, so now I'm a problem. They can't land, I'm a pro or column. Lyrically taking lives, I'm taking souls. See man's never been stolen, I take heads off, I leave them rolling.